lot of people coming from many different backgrounds, and I love that fact that I can meet a lot of people from many different places.
To be honest, before I didn't know that I would have friends from different parts of the world by coming to Australia, by studying in Australia. But the thing is, I have friends from different parts of the world. I have German friends, Sudanese friends.
I believe the Gold Coast has so much more to offer people than just beaches and bikinis. It is a legitimate study destination, and this was a great platform to showcase that we should be taken more seriously, not just as a tourist place.